Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Garage. In this episode, let's talk about this guy. It is a vintage Airsoft replica of M93R Auto-9, which is the weapon used by Robocop in the movie released in 1987. It was manufactured by a company named MGC, which has stopped business for a long time. I brought it over 30 years ago. When I was a kid, I was never a careful guy while playing my toys, so there are a lot of damage everywhere over the plastic body. I'm going to do a restoration to this replica by replacing some damaged parts by flipping out. But before that, in this episode, let's take a look to this old man. In the days when I brought this kit, there were no gas blowback, so it is a fixed line non-blowback model. It can fire in double action mode or single action mode. I will show you later how it should. But before that, let's see what damage has been done to him. First, you see here, the corner of the heatsink on the front side was cut badly. And second, the rear side was damaged in this way. Here. And then the lower part of the heatsink was cut because I have added the front handlebar from another model, and therefore I need to find another way to mount the heatsink by drilling a big ugly hole throughout the heatsink and the frame, and use a big bolt to lock it. Oh my god. Let's check the magazine. Oh, it seems the only problem is the gas release unit here was missed. Although there are many decorative damages, the mechanic operation of this replica is still in good condition, because I have made some essential upgrade to it. I have replaced 4 major parts with aftermarket option. They are of much harder material. I think they are made of steel, which include the hammer, the trigger link, which will pull the hammer against the hammer spring during double action mode, and 2 other internal parts. These parts are to be under high pressure from the hammer spring, and they still work faultless after 30 years. Now let's check how to disassemble it. First of all, the rear side is glued on the fixed slide directly. After so many years, it is loosed, and I have managed to take it out this way. And to remove the front part, first remove the big bolt here. And then remove the muzzle by turning it counterclockwise. Now you can take out the front part. You can remove this pipe by turning it counterclockwise. And for the front handlebar, it is necessary to remove this E-clip. I'm not going to do it right now, but I want to mention, if my memory serves me right, this part did not belong to the stock frame. I glue it there for the purpose of installing the front part, the front handle. After we remove the front handle, I will remove this part from the frame. Okay, let's remove this line. There is a bolt in here. You need to remove before removing the slide, and afterwards you can remove the slide and then take out the internal barrel. There is no hookup unit in this barrel. Now let me explain how this non-blowback airsoft works. And here is the internal of the Airsoft Replica. Let me simulate the firing cycle. Okay, we install the internal barrel in this way. When you pull the trigger or you clock the hammer, the internal barrel will move backward, and the bucket in here will push against the magazine and capture the next available BB pellet. When you further pull the trigger and release the hammer, it will hit this part, and in turn hit this part in this way to release the gas within the magazine and therefore shoot the BB bullet. The mechanism is similar for both single action and double action. So this is the end of this episode. If you like this video, please subscribe, share the video, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.